Perfect starter home, vacation getaway, or short-term rental. With the price just reduced, discover this delightful 600 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom single-family home nestled in the serene Shenandoah Mountains of Virginia. Situated on a sprawling 3.3-acre wooded lot, this cozy haven offers tranquility, quiet, and a place to unplug. Fully renovated in 2022, the home features a new metal roof and a fully remodeled interior, ensuring modern comfort in the quiet mountains. Enjoy the intimate charm of this well-designed home, perfect for the first-time buyer, savvy investor, or busy professional wanting a quiet place to retreat. Wake up to the soothing sounds of nature right at your doorstep. Move in hassle-free with the option of a fully furnished home, featuring tasteful decor and comfortable furnishings. Explore your own private 3.3-acre wooded lot, ideal for hiking, bird watching, or simply unwinding in nature. Enjoy all 4 seasons with stunning foliage in the fall, snowy wonderlands in winter, blooming springs, and sunny summers. Just minutes from the Shenandoah, this home offers access to hiking trails, fishing spots, and recreational activities. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love. Whether you're looking for a starter home, a vacation retreat, or a lucrative short-term rental, this property offers endless potential. Tap into the growing demand for vacation rentals and generate income when you're not using the property. Create lasting memories with family and friends in your own mountain retreat, or begin your homeownership journey with this affordable and charming residence. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of Virginia's mountain paradise. Schedule a showing today and envision your new life in this idyllic home.